Hello, I'm Kelvin, and I'm here and very happy to introduce you our Meetboard 4 series. This one's the basic entry level. This one's Meetboard 4, and this one comes with the camera. This one's Meetboard 4 Prime, and both of them are certified by the Google EDOA certification. So as you can see, all the Google service is now built in our whiteboard. And also, if the user needs any specific app, they can go to the Play Store and download whatever they need themselves without any effort. And as a smartboard, we definitely have a whiteboard that allows you to do the collaboration or brainstorming on the Canva easily without any hassle. And here is our montage screen sharing app. This one is our corporate partner, Display Note. And the montage, they allow you to do the wirelessly screen share, and also can via AirPlay, Google Cast, or Miracast. And last one, let's go take a look at the camera effect of our Meetboard 4 Prime. You can just easily start a video conferencing without any hassle, no external equipment needed. You just use the built-in camera and give a tap, then you'll be able to use all the function. So if you want to know more information about our Meetboard Gen 4, please contact Regional Sales and get more information. Thank you.